Good afternoon, everyone. This is Lena from Premier Team Real Estate. I'm the Austin realtor, and today I'm standing in front of this home that I bought for my clients in Pflugerville, Texas. This beautiful home is located at the corner lot, and it is 1/3 of an acre. The home is about 13,500 square feet. It's a huge lot, and it's right in the corner, and the house is approximately about 2,000 square feet, but it has 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, and it has really nice 3-car garage. And welcome to Pflugerville. The home is located next to the middle school, and which is like 1 mile walking distance, and in the Pflugerville School District. So today I'm touring you this house, and I will be surprising you with the beautiful landscaping in the back in a little bit here. Welcome. So welcome back. As a surprise for you, this house also came with a beautiful landscaping backyard with a huge, beautiful swimming pool. And besides that, there's also a waterfall with koi fish. So a little bit of history about how, but this house was listed for $420,000 in May. And there were multiple offers. There's over 10 different offers, and we actually came in the number 2. We didn't get the house at the beginning. Somebody else got it for higher than what we offered, but we got the call back, and so we actually paid $510,000. I think it's worth it. And as of today, I don't think you can find anything like this in that price range in Pflugerville, and because its location is very close to Austin, Texas. So again, congratulations to my clients. This house came with beautiful swimming pool, beautiful landscaping, nice waterfall with a lot of koi fish swimming, a lot of lilies and lotus flowers, very Asian landscaping style. All right, so to end this video, thank you all for watching me today, and I hope you and your family enjoy their weekend and stay safe. If you have any questions on investment in real estate in Austin, Texas, my information is going to be at the end of the video. So thank you and have a great weekend. Stay safe, everyone. Bye.